Okay, the hood is completely shut on this car, but when it comes to this side, as you can see, there's a massive gap here between the fender and the hood, because during the transportation process someone put the battery pack here because the battery was flat, and then somehow, I don't know, they shut it or it came down, but it shut the hood and it made a massive dent on here, so now it won't shut right, and even if you shut it, there's a dent. Kind of hard to see then on the reflection. But you can see there's this line here, and the reflection is supposed to be nice and straight, but it is not. There's a dent here and a dent there, and a dent somewhere around here as well. Okay, this reflection here, or shade, whatever you call it, it's quite nice and straight, and as I move the camera forward, it doesn't, the line, it doesn't look straight at all, so there's a dent, that's why it doesn't look straight. And when it comes to this side, then it comes nice and straight again. So these wasn't there when I went to see the car, definitely.